Yeah, welcome to another episode of the Campus Curiosity TV. We are here with your boy Dero. Leo niko na nani?
Misati.
Misati. Vibes ndio.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so ni Cultural Week Kopa. What do you think about Cultural Week?
I just like the hype around Cultural Week and the fact that Cooperative actually takes their Cultural Week serious. As in, you should hear the pressure behind. Everyone talks about Cultural Week. Immediately the same starts. So yeah, that's what excites me more.
Okay. So by the way, Fire Feet. Fire Feet. What inspired your feet, Leo?
Myself.
Sema umeamka ukaingia pale ukachagua luku.
I actually sat and thought about it, but to be honest, Pinterest. And my closet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ni combination ya Pinterest na your closet.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your hot take?
My hot take: be nice to nice people and bad to bad people. Yes.
Weka watu mali wamekuweka.
Weka watu mali wamekuweka.
Umesikia?
Ya rono ya.
Chunga. Chunga. Kuna watu wanataka kukumaliza.
Hiyo. Watu wanataka kukumaliza for real.
Chunga. Yo, so Misati, what's your handle?
At Sati_Sati. SATTY. Instagram, TikTok.
Mmesikia, so tufike tumuonyeshe support, to follow, to like.
Wallahi mkini support.
Unaweza fika mbali. Yeah, so pia sisi mtu support tufike mbali.
Yeah.
Campus Curiosity all platforms. Thanks.